Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmari, and in today's video I'll be doing a makeup haul and a swatch and swatches. If you're new to my channel and you enjoy watching beauty and lifestyle content, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you are not new, then welcome back to another video. If you want to see the makeup that I got from Beauty Runaway, then keep on watching. So I got these three light eyeliner pencils, and I think they might be eyeliner pencils or like eyeliner and lip pencil. It's a blue one and a brown one and a light brown. This is the brown one. So one side is black and the other side is brown. This is the light brown one. And this is the blue one. So I think one side is the eyeliner and the other side is the lip liner. Brighter side is the lip liner. I haven't used them yet, but they seem like they really creamy and like any other eyeliner pencil. This Beauty Runaway Eyebrow Pomade, and it's a brown one and a light brown one. I haven't used it yet, but if I do use it, I'll probably use the light brown one because I don't like dark eyebrow like stuff. Next thing that I got is this Beauty Runaway highlight and contour palette. Color correctors are on the top and the contours are on the bottom, and the two highlights are like at the bottom. I'll probably use the color correctors and brown shade at the corner like contour because the other shades are too dark and I don't want to wear like a dark contour. The next thing that I got is this contour pencil and highlight. One side is the contour and the other side is the highlight. I will use this like contour pencil because it seems like it's light enough for my skin tone. The next thing that I got is this Beauty Runaway blush palette, and it's like a mini blush palette. And I do like the colors in here, even though I didn't use it yet, but I'm pretty sure it's pigmented except for the light pink one that's at the end. Like I had a hard time swatching that one, but the rest of them are pigmented. I probably will use this palette except for the pink one because it barely showed up, but it's a good pigmented palette. The next thing that I got is these 4 lip glosses, and I used this one today, but they like mini lip glosses. I do think some of them will look good on somebody that's a deeper skin tone than me. They'll look good on like somebody that's deeper than me, but this is what they look like. Are good lip glosses. They're not too like sticky. The next thing that I got is these like lip palettes. These 2 lip glosses. I don't like lip glosses like this or lip palettes like this because like you gotta dip your finger in it and I feel like it's unsanitary, so I probably won't use these. They are some pretty colors, but I wouldn't use it because I don't like stuff like this. But if it was in like a bottle or something, I would use it. The next thing that I got is this Beauty Runaway mascara, and it's a regular black mascara. Use this and it's like a basic mascara. The next thing that I got is this eye primer. What it looks like. It's like a watery, creamy eye primer, and I don't really like it because it don't really do anything. This is the Roses palette, and I did use this today and I do like it. I'm probably not gonna swatch everything in each palette because it's too much, but I will swatch like a couple of them from each palette. So the two shimmers, the first one, and then it's one matte in the middle. This one is the Nudes palette, and it's kind of the same colors as the other one, but a little different. It's the nude eyeshadows, and they are pigmented as the other palette. So this palette is a mixture of matte and shimmers. And this palette is a mixture of matte and shimmers. And this is the Blues palette, and I think this is an all shimmer palette, but it might be a mixture of matte and shimmers. So it's like a couple mattes in there, but it has like shimmers and satin shimmers, and it's a pigmented palette. I use this palette and the eyeshadows are not chalky or anything, but I do like these palettes. I'm pretty sure you can find this makeup at Walmart or like any drugstore. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video.